Hello everyone, so welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Amruta and today we are here at excited project Kanakya Silicon Valley by Kanakya Group at Powai. Isn't it so exciting to see this view? Yes, it is. So in this video, we are going to discuss all about the project, location advantages, pricing, amenities, offers and special discounts. So if we talk about the project overview, then this is an amazing project which is featured in 8 acres of freehold land parcel. With that, this project has 65% free space and only 35% is used for development. So we have 6 towers, out of which 4 are already ready to move and 2 are under construction, which is going to get possession in December 2024. So if we talk about the structure over here, then this is basement plus 3 podium plus ground and 24 are habitable floors. And here you are getting an amazing uninterrupted mountain view and lake view. Also, this project is on the highest point in Powai. If you talk about the layout and design of all bedrooms, then this is so amazing and spacious and beautifully designed. So if we talk about the amenities, yes, this is one of the amenities, a butterfly garden. With that, we have 2 clubhouses and the clubhouse is spread over 70,000 square feet. We have 5 types of swimming pool. We have kids area, we have a multi-purpose hall, banquet hall. So if we talk about the configuration and prices, we have 2 BHK, 3 BHK and also Jodi flats are available. So 2 BHK starts from carpet area of 666 square feet and the price is 2.76 crore all inclusive. And another is 993 square feet is 3.87 crore and this one is lake facing. So you will have an amazing uninterrupted lake view. Also in 3 BHK, the carpet area is 1045 and 1056 and the starting price is 4.38 crore. In 3.5 BHK, we have 1282 and the price is 5 crore onwards. In Jodi flats, we have 3 plus 3 Jodi and the total carpet area is 2112 and the price is 8.76 crore all inclusive. So if we talk about the connectivity, it is just a minute from Hiranandani Hospital and JVLR is just 2 minutes. Also, it is just 10 minutes from Kanjurmarg railway station and Eastern Freeway and Western Express Highway. It is just 12 minutes. Isn't it exciting and amazing? Hello everyone, so welcome to the sample flat at Kanakya Silicon Valley. So this is an amazing passage you can see, walk through, and here we are having our full family dinner area. This is a very spacious and your whole family can have meals together and enjoy. So with that, we are getting an amazing, very big living space. You can see this is very spacious. And with that, you are getting an open view from here. You're also getting a deck over here. And let's move on to kitchen now. So we are entering into kitchen and you can see this is a cooking table and this is a working table. With that, you are getting a dry area over here. You can keep your washing machine and other stuff over there. So let's move on to our master bedroom. So here, before that, we have this storage area. You can see this you can use for your guest or for yourself to keep your all the storage articles. And this is our first master bedroom. The USP is that with master bedroom, you are getting a wardrobe space, which is amazing part of this bedroom. Yes, with that you can see here is the attached bathroom and the fittings are best and very beautiful. So here we are getting a cross ventilation and with that you can see this is so spacious. After keeping a bed of 6x6 as well, you can use this space. Let's move on to our second master bedroom. Here as well, what you are getting amazing is your wardrobe space. Before that, let's see our spacious master bedroom. you're keeping your bed. With that, you are getting a very open view from your standing balcony, and here you can have your coffee or meals together on this side. Let's move on to the attached washroom. You can see the best fittings again, and this is the best part, that you are having your wardrobe space very separate, so you do not get disturbed while changing your clothes or doing your own stuff. Let's move on to our third master bedroom. So this one is so spacious and beautiful, I can't tell you, I just love it. And here you can see you can keep another bed as well, but here we are having sofa right now. With that, you are having a 6x6 bed over here. With that, you are getting an open view from your standing balcony. And this is again an amazing part, is your wardrobe space, which is so beautiful. I really love it. And this is your attached washroom. So this is our common washroom, and this is our fourth master bedroom. So while entering into the fourth master bedroom, this is your washroom and with the best fittings again. And this I can call it, this is a kid's bedroom. This is so beautiful and so spacious. We are keeping two beds over and still lot of space is there. Again, you are getting cross ventilation over here. So Property Clouds connects you directly with developers, which is so easy to do your home buying process. In addition to giving you the best rates, what Property Cloud gives you is amazing facilities like free pickup and drop services, then on the spot payment plans and flexible payment methods, and much more. You won't believe it, it's just amazing. So if you need any much information on Kanakya, Silicon Valley or any other project in this location, you can contact us today and today itself. Yes, so thank you so much, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.